The production waste gas treatment room is located on the basement floor. The waste gas, with a flow rate of 7,000 cubic meters per hour, originates from the high concentration storage tanks, the inactivation equipment room, the inactivated equipment, and the waste gas treatment equipment room itself. Secondly, the treatment process is as follows: caustic scrubber, sodium hypochlorite scrubber, roof-induced draft blower, exhaust stack. Thirdly, the main equipment and instruments are as follows. The first stage scrubber includes an FRP horizontal scrubber, a dilute caustic circulating tank, 2 circulating pumps, a pH meter, and a magnetic flap level gauge. The second stage scrubber has the same configuration as the first stage, with an additional ORP meter. Additionally, a 30% caustic storage tank and 2 makeup pumps are provided for the first stage, and a sodium hypochlorite storage tank and 2 makeup pumps for the second stage. On the roof of the workshop, there is a blower with a frequency converter, a pressure sensor, and an exhaust stack. A sampling platform is installed at the exhaust stack. After undergoing this treatment process, the waste gas indicators comply with the emission standards.